Hi, this is Ramji Pallela, Chief Operating Officer of Atal Incubation Center CCMB. At our center, with the thrust areas in life sciences mainly, biotechnology, biopharma, healthcare, whatever that is relevant to biology and allied sciences, we could able to support till now close to 50 startups, academic innovators, student innovators, etc. At this center, having state of the art infrastructure, more than 100 equipments which are fully functional, and 24/7 facilities at the incubation center. I think any of the early stage startups can actually come here. They can actually do their experiments and optimize their technologies. Maybe after 1 or 2 years they can actually raise more funds and they can scale up. So I think with the host organization support like CCMB is really a great blessing, where with the support of CCMB we could able to nurture all kinds of allied sciences in biology, be it bioinformatics or NGS, genome sequencing, or even data analytics, etc. I think with that kind of mentorship and guidance from the host organization, with the mentoring pool that we have at AIC CCMB, we could able to support not only undergraduates, graduates, postgraduates, PhDs and scientists, but also school student groups. Our center, as you are aware, it is supported by Atal Innovation Mission of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog's another kind of program, Student Innovation Program (SIP), which is really successfully implemented by the Atal Innovation Mission. We are happy to partner with the program. So school student innovators which are working in the life sciences area, and they will be nurtured. At the same time, undergraduate students and startups, all these kind of stakeholders, they will be actually engaging well with the Atal Incubation Center, so that their early stage journey can be well supported. So with that prime focus and mission to nurture these startups at AIC CCMB, other funding agencies are coming forward. We have different programs here to support social innovation, for example from BIRAC's SPARSH initiative, and another intervention like ICT implementation in biology and bioinformatics and genome sequencing, whatever. So MIghty Startup Hub also supported us with the TIDE 2.0 program, and having this early stage or entrepreneur in residence programs from CCMB or from MIghty, people, the students or innovators or maybe startups need a kind of seed fund. I think with that initiative we could able to approach NSTDB, where we could able to get some seed fund to support in these startups, and the program will start from this year. So having student innovators to the companies, maybe larger companies also interested to work with CCMB and AIC CCMB by using our state of the art machinery and lab facilities here. Our modular spaces are the best model, where we can actually provide pre-incubation, virtual incubation and physical incubation, so that we can actually engage them depending on their infrastructure requirement. So I think with this particular center can be a role model to help all kinds of innovators in the ecosystem. Very interestingly, maybe our local government, Telangana state government, is having different arms, like be it Telangana State Innovation Cell or RICH Hyderabad, and TSSN and TASK, T-Works, T-Hub. All these are very much helping all the startups and incubators and institutes. Even we have specifically focusing on women entrepreneurship, and these incubators and institutes, which are actually an extended arms of the government, state government locally, they are bringing up lot of programs that can actually support student innovators, rural innovators, social innovators, and also life science startups that are coming up. So I think local government support, I think we have to thank our state government, which are really supporting. We have more than 20 life science incubators, healthcare incubators here in Telangana, which actually collaborate each other to support each other and support their own startups by sharing their mentoring pool, sharing their stakeholder portion. So I think this way all these ecosystem factors are really strong here, and I think the next level of supporting these startups and innovators is just acceleration. Probably I think state government along with MOC and AICC CMB kind of incubators can actually help a lot of startups in the future. Recent programs, if we can see, we actually considering the testing center for COVID and also validating center for COVID diagnostics and devices. CCMB AIC supported with Gates Foundation through FIND program, where a center of excellence has been allotted here. At the same time, Rockefeller also partnered with the for diagnostics validation and indigenization of COVID kits, etc. So these kind of initiatives are really helpful for accelerating our innovation potential. A lot of cluster activities happening, and Hyderabad being one of the clusters. I think this is a great opportunity, whether it's a Pune cluster, Delhi cluster or Bangalore cluster. All these clusters can actually work to nurture local ecosystem towards the global challenge and national challenge. I think that's brilliant. The mission is in front of everybody, and everybody is in the race to actually target their goals to support the nation's activities. Thanks to Merck to come up with an initiative for startups. So Empowering Startups is a fantastic platform where we are partnered with Merck from past 1.5 to 2 years. I think this can be accelerating our life science innovators ecosystem fully, where these guys can actually use Merck's platform as well as incubators platforms like AIC CCMB to go forward.